is a $100,000 car. I said, nah, bro, let me correct you.
I meant to say over.
This is a $400,000 car.
I meant to say over 100 grand.
From East LA to the hills of Rancho Cucamonga, I'm gonna show you how I went from being broke to being rich. I'm going basically to Harvard Business School. That's how I feel. Like, I'm going to Harvard Business School and they're teaching me how to run real businesses, structure them, build a strong foundation, and fucking take off to scale. That's what I'm learning. So the first thing I did was I went to People's Workshop, People's Essential Workshop. That shows you how to onboard the right way, how to make sure that you're ready for the right employees, how to hire the right way, how to onboard the right way, how to retain, how to structure your business so that you get the right employees, you attract the right people. So that gives you all the fundamentals. And then the one I just went to was leadership. That's how to run your teams effectively, how to build leaders, how to make sure that you're operating practically, right? So how to make sure you're operating right with the right teams, right? So that's what that is. I'm gonna do the 360 workshop. It's basically dialing down your whole business to make sure you have all the right moving parts to scale. And then I'm also gonna do marketing and sales workshops. So they teach you all about how they close, you know, all the sales process and their strategies. And then the other one is marketing. So how they attract clients and stuff. You know? And then I also hired Brandon as my business coach. So it was $150,000, bro. I have access to him once a week, or once a month, I'm sorry, for an hour. So he's gonna basically look at all my businesses and tell me where I'm weak, where I'm strong, what adjustments I have to make in order to get them ready to scale. And then I'm also gonna do platforming. So platforming, that's another $150,000. But they'll take my business, they'll check all the competition and tell me what I'm doing wrong in order to get me to, let's say I wanna mimic a company that's doing 150 million a year, and I'm doing 15 million. So they're gonna look at it and they're gonna say, this is exactly what you have to do to get there. Here's a big ass book of your roadmap to follow. So it's crazy, dude.